Welcome, kiddo. Your friend Kida will tell you a story on unity is strength.
Once upon a time, there was a bird catcher. He moved to jungle for catching birds.
And he thought of catching the birds and selling them in the market, which will fetch him some good price. A flock of birds were flying all over the jungle in search of food and water. He saw some birds flying above the sky and thought of catching them in the net. He began to spread the rice grains and laid the net to catch the birds. Birds saw some rice grains spread on the ground. All the birds at once decided to fly down and eat the rice grains. Soon they found out that they were unable to move as their feet got stuck in the net. They thought it must have been the plan of a bat catcher to catch us. The bat catcher saw the birds trapped in the net. Ah, so many birds! I will put them in the cages and sell them in cages in the market. By saying so, he ran towards the birds trapped in the net. The birds were desperately trying to free themselves from the net by pulling the net together. They started flapping their wings, flap, 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 together, and in no time started flying with the net still stuck to their feet. Oh my god, what is this happening? The bird catcher saw this act of unity in disbelief. After flying a long distance, one of the bird recalled that he had a friend, and you know who is his? It is a mouse. The birds with the net went to the mouse and asked for help. The mouse heard everything from their mouth and immediately set to work and caught the net. Cut, 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 cut. The birds thanked the mouse for help. It was the act of unity that saved the lives of birds. From this story, we conclude that unity has great strength. As long as you are united, no harm can come upon you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want more content like this, please subscribe my channel. Kida Kido.